This is Kumar Physics. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET, and also please share to the maximum number of persons who are studying this. Okay. For today class, we are going to discuss about the photodiode, LED and solar cell. So what is a photodiode? How it works on the principle. So this photodiode is nothing but it is fabricated in a transparent sheet, which is nothing but a PN junction diode, which is now this P type semiconductor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and the N type semiconductor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This is a load resistance through which the output current should be taken in across it. Okay. Now when it is connected in the reverse bias, then the current is in the microamperes. That's why the microammeter is connected. So this is the light falls, the amount of energy, electromagnetic energy like photons, is incident on the surface of a thin film. It is based on the principle of photovoltaic effect. It works on the principle of photovoltaic effect, and this is connected in reverse bias. Reverse bias. When the photons are incident on the surface of a film, then what happens? The amount of electron hole pairs are generated in the region, and all the electrons will move towards N side, and all the holes move towards P side. So due to that motion of the electrons and holes, then there exists a current. That current should be taken across the load resistance, and which is measured with the help of a microammeter. Whenever the intensity of the incident light, is increased, then the corresponding current also changes gradually. Okay, that's why when the graph is drawn between the voltage and current, then you can observe like this. So with respect to the intensity increases, then the corresponding current also changes gradually. So this is about the graph drawn between the voltage and current, because it is connected in the reverse bias. That's why the graph is like this. Okay, that is about the photodiode. Next second one is LED. So what is LED? So here what happens? What is the photodiode purpose? The photodiode converts the light energy. Photodiode converts the light energy into electric energy. The photodiode converts the light energy into electrical energy. Okay. So the next one is LED. The LED is nothing but light emitting diode. Now in our home we are using LED bulbs as well as LED TVs. Okay, this light emitting diode, which is nothing but which contains a transparent sheet having PN junction diode, and it is connected in the forward bias. This is connected, photodiode is connected in the reverse bias, whereas the PN junction diode in LED is connected in the forward bias. So when it is connected in the forward bias, what happens? This electrical, whenever amount of electrical energy is given, this electrical energy is converted into light energy. This electrical energy is converted into light energy. That means when this forward bias circuit, that means this is a PN junction diode and it is connected to the forward bias, then all the majority charge carriers present in the P type and all the N type majority charge carriers in the N type are moved towards the depletion layer and combined together. Then the amount of electrons and hole pairs will be generated, which will produce a large amount of energy in the form of light. That's why the amount of electrical energy is converted into light energy. Okay, due to this amount of energy is converted into light energy, we are having uses of LED, that is fast action, that means either fast on or off, long life, no warm up takes place, long life and ruggedness. Okay, these are the uses of LED. So this LED is a device which converts the electrical energy into light energy. This photodiode is a device which converts the light energy into electrical energy. This photodiode is connected in the reverse bias. This LED is connected in the forward bias. Now the third one is solar cell. The solar cell is like the solar cell which contains a metal grid on the top surface. Okay, to use it to work in the reverse bias condition. So this, what is the purpose of this solar cell, which converts the light energy into electrical energy. The light energy into electrical energy. So when the light is allowed to fall instant on the surface of this surface, top surface, all the electrons in the depletion layer are moved towards N side and all the holes will move to the P side. Due to the combination of electron hole pairs in the P type and N type semiconductors, then the total circuit is connected to the load, then the output will comes as a current. So that current will be generated is said to be short circuited current and the current voltage is called open circuit voltage. That's why when the characteristics of PN junction diode is taken in the fourth quadrant. Okay, understood or not? Solar cell is a device which is used to convert the light energy into electrical energy. It is connected in the reverse bias. It consists of a metal plate in which the N-type semiconductor is on the top surface and the P-type semiconductor is at the bottom surface, and the light is photons is allowed to instant on the surface of the metal plate. Then the electron hole pairs are generated near the junction so that all the electrons will move towards the N side and all the holes move towards the P side, so that the amount of energy, which is nothing but current, to get it, the total circuit is connected to the load resistance through which the output should be taken across it. Okay, this is about the solar cell, which is used to get the power at in homes or fields or industries, whatever it may be. That is about the solar cell. Okay, next one is Zener diode. Next one is Zener diode.